There you go. Perfect.
Wow.
Okay, so I have 100 minutes left on the SD card,
You
guys.
just need to slow down.
Okay.
So, this is...
That is gonna snap the first time someone needs to stop really hard. It is... that bent really easy.
So, Maze.
Shut up.
All right, be quiet. We're going to edit you out. For official use, Maze, would you like to describe this creation?
This is dangerous. Do not attempt this.
I was saying mechanically
Can someone
describe.
Please
No,
turn on the engine.
I don't know how to do this one.
Flip forwards, top lever. No, top lever, bottom. Yeah, top lever, other direction. Okay. Pull it.
Gentlemen, start your engines! Damn it, Adam!
Okay.
Kill switch!
Okay.
Kill switch!
Oh yeah. Good.
Yeah. Okay, now pull the lever forward.
Oh dear God. Well, this was eventful, everyone!
No, it needs more tension. Either that or a wider belt so it has more grip.
Yeah.
Who said we needed a break? I hate you!
Yeah, something's smoking.
Did we check for gas?
You know what? No, there's gas. Something's smoking though. No.
Melting?
We need more tension.
Yeah, you need like a garage door spring. You need a big
I mean, I can smell the burnt rubber. I can smell it all along.
Yeah,
from
it's just
the belt.
slipping a lot.
No, really, you can't tell it's slipping from in between there.
Try me again, please.
Round two.
Still switch on this time?
Is that fuel?
Do we need to mix something in it, or?
Wait, what is this bottom?
Fuel.
That's supposed to be all the way on.
This would make a great lawnmower.
Now I really want to build a go-kart.
Can he make this turn?
He's not gonna.
Oh Jesus!
No,
Oh, I thought he was gonna go to the road. I thought he was going into the I'm like, steering failed! Steering failed!
Alright, as he comes around the first turn.
Yes!
That is one nifty break.
Dude, you actually started getting going pretty good. Once it gets momentum going.
Dude, once that thing gets hot enough to melt the fucking rubber, And I don't know why it died. I didn't kill it.
Wait, you just stopped right now?
Huh? No, I didn't. I didn't kill it. Oh wow. Try it again.
Maybe the choke is just too far on.
Yeah, maybe.
I wish there was a way to zoom in on this thing, is there?
Probably not. That's not.
Oh, there is!
That is fucking priceless.
Oh god, the video just cut out and there was no cart there. No, he's got an SD card in here. It will record up to 100 minutes.
Wow.
Mine's more. Mine has 16 gigs in it.
I didn't realize that was...
16 gigs?
I have 16 gigs in mine.
Internal?
No, I have a SIM card.
That too, everyone. Dude, we're gonna need to replace belts per use.
Yeah, whatever. They're like $3.
Where did Maze go? I lost him on the video.
Doing that.
Oh, wait. Wait a sec.
No, he's got it.
I don't know.
Is out of gas?
No, he just wasn't hitting the gas pedal.
He's just going all over the place. Turning radius kind of sucks, but hey,
If you have enough space, it's all good, right?
yeah, this will just have to be his test track.
He's going into it.
He's definitely going faster than I can run, so I mean...
Doodle's gonna love this.
I do feel... Phew! Ah! We have killed the belt.
Hey, you can say you built the go-kart on burnt rubber.
Did the belt actually just die?
No, I just got it. Started getting some liquid. These wheels are shit. They're going like, whoa. Oh, are they really?
No way, look at this.
What?
It's black now.
Yeah, rubber. Mounted onto the wheel. So who wants to ride it?
We all know my luck with anything that has...
If you flipped this somehow, I think you would deserve to die.
It seems like... Pussy. Okay, I'll run again.
Ready?
Yes.
And there Maze drives off into the sunset.
Yeah, the belt's not gonna last long. Oh shit, yeah, the wheel.
What's wrong with the wheel?
I think you bent the little axle that's in it.
Ah, damn.
That looks awesome. Yeah, that belt is, you gotta
It's either
replace that belt, I
wheel
think.
is junk or you bent the little axle that comes out of it.
I think it's probably the bearings that are junk. It looks like the
Smells
way
fantastic.
the bearing is actually put into the wheel, yeah. Shell is like...
How is it?
I mean, I can get new wheels. I think we need a new belt. That got fucked. No, it still rolls. You can see it when you're riding, though.
Yeah, it wiggles wicked bad.
Oh, no, I know.
Wait a minute, I got steering. You got drive cam?
I need more power. Give it more power. Give it gas.
And here we have the drive cam.
Ah! Steering.
I am.
Kill it. Not to fall off. Kill.
Oh. Well, wheel's about to fall off.
Yeah. Okay.
What?
Shall we load it up?
I would say it was very successful.
All right. Problem one.
Okay, let me see.
Yeah.
Thought of that I